back here on Hildegard. Scott's 1970 280 SE. We drove her over here yesterday. These are gonna get replaced today. Yeah, especially this one, because, well, you know, that's working well for you. Anyway, our big issue here is a little fuel leaky. Oh. Yay, we get to play find the leak. Bet you it's down here because somebody didn't seal it, right? So we get to pull this baby down. I might not have to pull it down, actually, because that's just fucking lovely work that somebody did. I wonder if I have an Allen that big. Can I just stick a nut in there? I can make something if we need to. And we need to do something about this situation too. But obviously we're not going to weld until we solve fuel leaky. Oh my God. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Don't tell a redneck you can't do something. Extractor, channies. What do you mean? Right into the can. Some of my chingaderas, but whatever. And just like that, we gotta drain the fuel. Easy enough. Of course it's gonna leak. It's got upsets everywhere from people trying to get this out with a chisel, it looks like. But I can fix it. Easy, easy. Muffler out. Yucky pipe remains. And that's the smallest inlet bullets we could get. We're putting 2 of those babies in. Gonna have to make this work, because there really ain't any other option right now. Alright, so this ain't gonna fly. So no one makes proper muffler for this car. They only make them for the SLs, you know, the coupes. No one makes it for the big bad sedans. So with that level of fun, I'm gonna cut that back out, and then I have just a length of tubing, 1 3/4 coming, and we'll weld that in, because that muffler does plenty of muffle. And yeah, obviously want to keep the reverb in the car down. That's the key. And I mean, it's, yeah, so that's where we're gonna be. All right, positive news. Our fuel leak is gone, and we have nice new exhaust hangers on the rear muffler. But we're gonna redo these for sure. So we're waiting on some tubing. So those will be returned, and I'm going to exchange it in the invoice for the new material when that comes over today.